are beginning with the heritage round for this evening. I am also sure that the amazing way all of our contestants have been dazzled in so much of ethnicity, and they are beautifully donning all the shades of colors that can exist. So I'm also sure that you're gonna be amused by their performance, by their ramp walk, and also by their presence on the stage. I would also like to welcome all of our jury members who have gathered here for us and made this event a more precious one for all of us. So now it is time that we begin with the heritage round for this evening, for which I request all of you to please welcome all of our beauties in the Miss and Mrs. category with a huge round of applause, everyone. Please, let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. They will be here donning the stage in their absolute beauty and grace and elegance that can exist. Thank you so much. Interested in Kathak dance, and she is also in Talwar Bazi, and also she is a Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao ambassador, and she possesses this never giving up attitude and the confidence with a beautiful smile on her face. This was Minakshi. Moving forward with contestant number 2, Amisha Nag. Let's welcome her. She loves to follow her passion in singing and dancing, modeling and acting, and she also plays guitar to influence women's fashion makeup, and she does gym as well. So give it up for Miss Amisha, and now we'll move forward for our next contestant, number 3, Sonal Poddar. She is someone who leads with empathy, guided by kindness and emotional intelligence, and through her creativity, she connects deeply with people and shares a piece of her soul. She also inspires, supports, and makes a meaningful difference in the lives around her. Give it up for Miss Sonal. Moving forward with the next contestant, number 4, Miss Sakshi Vyas. She is a 21-year-old, graduated in 2024, aspiring to inspire confidence through poise and personality. She's passionate about wellness and self-care, embracing elegance and empowerment. That was it for Miss Sakshi. Now moving forward with the next contestant, number 5, Miss Shreya. A 20-year-old passionate and confident girl following her goals. Her achievements include semi-finalist Liba Miss Diva Universe India 2023, Miss India 2024 Top 24 UP, and a secondary artist in movie Raid 2. Amazing profile by Miss Shreya, and now we'll move forward for the next contestant, number 6, Miss Geet. Just 20 years old from Ghaziabad, and currently she's pursuing BAJMC to aspire all of our nation with her communication and interacting skills. Let's give it up for Miss Geet. And now moving forward with the next contestant, number 9, Miss Apsara Mali. She holds a strong belief in independence and its boundaries, and above all, she values justice and gratitude. She strives to utilize her intellect for positive transformation, which defines her character. Next contestant, number 10, Miss Lakshmi Bhargav. Let's welcome her. She is currently balancing academics with a role at one of India's top organizations. Passionate about social service, she regularly teaches underprivileged students who lack access to education. A strong character. Moving forward with the next contestant, contestant number 12, Miss Manisha Saxena Bhargav. Her strength includes her inner beauty, confidence, and positive outlook towards difficult circumstances. Her qualities include a good dancer, creative, powerful, intelligent, and attractive personality. She is also an actor and artist. And now moving forward with the next contestant. Contestant number 13, Miss Sushmita Gupta. a research scholar and hardworking, ambitious, creative thinker. She doesn't believe in chasing, only attracting everything towards her. Contestant number 14, please go on the stage. Contestant number 14. A big round of applause for all of our beautiful contestants for the Miss category. Everyone, let's applaud them. All the beautiful ladies donning in for our Miss category. And now, it's time for the Mrs. category. For now, you witness all of our beauties for the Miss category, and now we are moving forward for the Mrs. category round, for which I would like to call contestant number 14, Mrs. Sippy. I request all the beauties to please go from the... She is passionate about exploring new things to learn and get experience in life. As person, she is graceful, strong and grounded. Mrs. Sippy. And now moving forward with the next contestant, number 15, Mrs. Ekta Gupta. Her passion is to ignite a fire within every woman, helping her discover the profound strength and beauty that lies within. Her motto is, be a voice, not an echo. Uplift others as you rise. She strongly believes that empowered women empower women. Moving forward with the next contestant, number 16, Mrs. Ankaj. An international makeup artist and a beautician teacher in Bijnor. She is also BJP Mahila Morch Mandal Adhyaksh. Give it up for Mrs. Ankaj. And now we go forward with the next contestant, number 17, Mrs. Priyanka Abhinandan Dwivedi. Belongs from a small gaon in Sultanpur, where from she went to Mumbai, and now she is also the sales manager of TVS Motor Company. Let's give it up for Mrs. Priyanka. For the next contestant, number 18, Mrs. Karvi, Mrs. Ruchika Pandita. She helps Kashmiri people voluntarily through an organization that helps widows or people below poverty line. And she's mother of a beautiful girl, 2 years old, and also whose name is Miri, which means a warrior. Give it up for Mrs. Ruchika Pandita. Next contestant, number 19, Mrs. Karvi, Mrs. Arundhati. A Zumba instructor and a dance choreographer. Her goal to be an inspiration is to help girls in fight against gender inequality, domestic violence and other society problems. Moving forward with the last but not the least contestant number 20, Mrs. Karvi, Mrs. Swapnil Tiwari. Wants to launch workshops to help women achieve financial independence and self-expression through arts and crafts, using the pageant platform to drive real change. A big round of applause for all of our beauties in the Mrs. category. Everyone, let's give it up for them. Everyone, let's give it up for all of our beauties who have dazzled amazingly in this round, which was the Heritage Round. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से we'll appreciate and applaud all of our beauties in the Miss and Mrs. category. That was it for the Heritage Round.